Saudi Arabia successfully sent its first astronauts, including the first Saudi woman, to the International Space Station (ISS) in a mission organized by Elon Musk's spacecraft manufacturing company. Rayyanah Barnawi, a breast cancer researcher, became the first Saudi woman to venture into space, expressing her pleasure and honor in representing the region. The mission marks Saudi Arabia's continued pursuit of space exploration, with Prince Sultan bin Salman bin Abdulaziz being the first Saudi astronaut in 1985. The private mission was organized by Axiom Space, and the astronauts launched aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The team of 4 astronauts, including Peggy Whitson, a former NASA astronaut, and John Schaffner, a businessman, is set to conduct around 20 experiments during their approximately 10-day stay on the ISS. Axiom Space offers exclusive space voyages for individuals, requiring significant financial investment, in collaboration with NASA and aims to advance space exploration and scientific research.